These products are flat, square, transparent perfume bottles, which are loyal to the choice of many international famous brands in the market. The style is simple and generous, and both male and female fragrances can be matched, providing users with a sense of pleasure beyond the value of the product itself. Chinese perfume bottles with excellent quality and advanced technology touched the fragrance suppliers all over the world. We can provide you with quality service and professional products.